Hey, this is Jeff at Trev Deeley Motorcycles, and our bike of the week this week is a 2021 Fat Boy. So it is a beautiful day today. I'm just in a t-shirt because it's actually that warm. It's supposed to get to 14 today. So last couple days I've seen tons of motorcycles on there. So, is it bike season? It feels very close. Tomorrow things spring ahead with the time. So it is getting to that time. So let's jump in and check out this 2021 Fat Boy. Now last year was the 30th anniversary of the Fat Boy, which is just a classic Harley Davidson. And they came out with the blacked out anniversary special. There was only 2,500 of those bikes. We only got 2. They never hit the showroom floor. They were gone by deposit right away. That was an awesome looking bike. But Harley Davidson didn't just keep the bike the same for 2021. No, instead of the satin finish, the big change you're gonna notice on the 2021 Fat Boy is the chrome. This thing is blinged out everywhere, and what a difference this chrome makes. The whole bike just jumps out, really pops out. It is a beautiful upgrade. We'll run through what this bike is. It's the same bike since 2018 with the Milwaukee 8 114 engine. Hand adjustable preload to the rear suspension, which is that monoshock on the new Softails. And the other big feature that people love about the Fat Boy is the 240 rear tire. It has that nice big tire to it. This is a really laid back cruiser bike to really get out and chill and to be seen on, because everyone is going to notice this bike, especially now the way they've chromed it out. On a beautiful sunny day today, you can see how much it pops. We have a couple of these available now, so come down to Trev Deeley Motorcycles in Vancouver and check it out.